The following graph shows the temperature forecast and the actual temperature in a city during a week. Wonderful. This is the forecast. This is the actual. Seem to be actually very decent. Look at this. Whenever we have forecast and actual, if the graphs are very close to each other, whoever is forecasting is doing a good job. But if one were here and the other were here, are miles apart, then I will say, okay, they're not doing a good job forecasting it. Right. So now let's look at the question. On which day did the actual temperature deviate the maximum from the forecast? And so here they are very close. Right. Here they are close. Here they are close. Here they are close. These four are not the answer. Now let's go step by step. This looks like it is 28. Look at it is 23. 28 minus 23. Day 2, the difference is 5. Day 4, maybe 29 and 27. The difference is 2. Again close. Here, this is probably 32. This is 28. 32 minus 28 is 4. Day 6, we don't have to worry. Day 7, this looks like it is 24. This is bang in the middle, slightly lower. Maybe it is 27. 27 minus 24 is 3. Here it is 28 and 25. Again 3. This is 26 and 23. Again 3. The difference are 3, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5. Or day 2 is the day where it's the maximum difference. Now I don't have to worry about this, but I want to cross check this because it's 4, it's close enough. This is 32, not 33. This is 28, not 27. 32 minus 28 is 4. This difference is only 4. This is 5. Day 2 is definitely the day where there has been maximum difference. So that's the day where whoever is forecasting had an off day. We want the actual number to be as close to the forecast as possible. In this case, it did not quite work out.